Hi, this is Eric with My Insurance Claims, and I'm going to show you today how to post a claim on myinsuranceclaims.org. You have several links on the homepage to do so. You can click on the one at the top. You have another one in the middle of the page, post your claim, fast and free. You have another post your claim link on the main navigation bar. So let's click on the one at the top right corner. So once you're on the start a claim page, you will see it should take you less than 5 minutes to post your claim. It's important to note that all the claims are anonymous on our website. We never reveal your full name and never ask for your precise address. We only give a broad idea of the location where you are and where the damages happen. So let's start by choosing the appropriate claim category. For my example, we're going to choose in the automotive. We're going to describe a car accident. The next step is to indicate the area where it happened. Let's say we're going to choose Arizona, the Phoenix area. We hit next. The claim status is important. It gives an ID to the claims professionals of what stage you're at in your insurance claim status. So it's either you're just getting started, it was accepted by your insurance carrier, it is under review by your insurance carrier, or it's been denied. So let's choose denied, hit next. Here we want to give a brief description of what happened. You want to put as much detail as you can, but try to keep it brief. So let's say hit next. And I want to choose the type of claims professional that are susceptible to help me and to service my claim. So in my example, I'm going to need an attorney and probably an appraiser to help me evaluate the value of my claim and of the damages caused to my vehicle. I'm going to enter the approximate value of my claim. It doesn't have to be precise, but at least it gives an idea of how much you're claiming. So let's say in my case it was $60,000. Here you can upload photos and documents about your claim. If you have photos of the damages, it's always very helpful for claims professionals. Documents as well, always helpful. Just please understand that whatever you upload here is going to be public. It's going to be visible on your claims listing on our website. So please don't upload any document that can identify you personally, like social security numbers, your precise address, or any type of personal document. Let's hit next. Here I can choose some claim options for my listing. This is not mandatory. You can skip if you want, but in case you want to hide your claim from search engines, you don't want your claim to be indexed by Google, just put a checkbox here, just put a check mark. In case you want the bids that you receive to be sealed, that nobody else than you can see them publicly on the website, you can also put a check mark here. I don't want to put anything, just gonna hit next. And because I'm not logged in right now as a user, I'm gonna create an account, and that's mandatory. Otherwise we have no way of contacting you and sending you email alerts when bids are posted to service your claim, or when private messages are sent to you by claim professionals. So I'm just gonna register quickly. strong password. I'm going to hit next. As I said at the beginning, we never ask for your precise address, but we want to have an idea of your geographical location. So let's say that I'm in Arizona, Phoenix area. It's fine. I'm going to hit next. And that's it. The claim is posted as soon as I agree to the term of service, and I hit submit. That's it. It's simple. If you have any question, please use our live chat feature on our website. You can email us at info@myinsuranceclaims.org. Give us a call as well. You will find all our contact information on our contact us page, and we're always eager to help you with your insurance claims. Thank you for watching.